You've probably come across those viral channels creating simple sticky man motivation or self-help videos. And let's be honest, you might have thought, this looks tough to make. But here's the truth. People are earning serious money from these videos. And you don't need sketching skills or expensive software to dive in. Most creators rely on paid tools like Canva. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a next-level method to create sticky man animation videos completely for free. You'll learn how to generate unlimited sticky man images, write compelling scripts, add voiceovers, and turn it all into powerful videos. So if you've ever wanted to build your own channel in this trending niche, this is your sign. Let's get started. First, scripting. First, go to ChatGPT and type, I want to create a sticky man animation video, so suggest me top 10 niches for such videos. Then click on Generate. ChatGPT will give you a list of different niche ideas. Choose any one you like. Let's say you pick the first one, motivation and self-discipline. Copy this niche, paste it back into the ChatGPT input box and type, okay, I will go with this idea. Now give me 30 days of video ideas with hook intros in this niche, then click Generate again. ChatGPT will now provide you with a detailed content plan to start creating consistent, sticky man animation videos around your chosen niche. After getting the 30-day video ideas with hook intros and storyboard breakdown from ChatGPT, simply copy the entire storyboard and paste it into an Excel sheet. This helps you stay organized and saves time later when searching for daily topics. Once that's done, copy the day one video idea along with its hook intro, then return to ChatGPT. Paste it in and type, I need a proper voiceover script of 1 minute on this topic. Please clearly highlight the video idea and hook intro by mentioning them at the top. Then click Generate. This way, you can get a ready-to-use script tailored for your sticky man animation, helping you produce content faster and more effectively. Now, let's move to the second step, generating your voiceover. Open your browser and search for 11 Labs, then click on the first link that appears. Sign up for an account, and once you're in, click on the text-to-speech option. Choose a voice that suits your video style. Now go back to the ChatGPT tab, copy the voiceover script you generated earlier, return to 11 Labs, paste it into the text box, and click on Generate Speech. Once it's ready, simply download the audio. Next, open Audacity if you're using a PC or laptop. If you're on a phone, use Lexus Audio Editor instead. Import your downloaded voiceover, then double-click the waveform to select the entire audio. Click on Effects, go to Special, and select Truncate Silence. Keep the default settings and click Apply. After that, go back to Effects. Tap on Distortion and Modulation. Choose Distortion and select the soft clipping type, then apply it. Lastly, return to Effects. Go to Volume and Compression. Select Compressor, adjust the settings to your liking, and apply the effect. This final step helps YouTube recognize the voice as natural rather than AI generated. When you're done, go to File, click Export Audio, select Export to Computer, rename the file if needed, and hit Export. Now let's move to the third step, generating sticky man images. First, open your browser and search for ImageFX Google. Then click on the first link that appears and sign up. Once you're on the main interface, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Settings. You'll see an option for aspect ratio. Select the one that fits your content. For regular YouTube videos, choose 16:9, and for shorts, choose 9:16. In this case, we're going with 16:9, so tap on that, then click on the bottom area again to return to the main interface. Now it's time to generate these images. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the special image prompt into the chat input. Don't worry, I'll provide this prompt in the video description. This master prompt helps ChatGPT understand exactly what kind of sticky man images we want to create. After entering the prompt, click Generate. Once that's done, let's return to the voiceover script and transfer it to the notebook so we can easily use it while creating the images. Once that's done, take the first sentence from your voiceover script, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit Generate. ChatGPT will now turn that sentence into a detailed image prompt. Simply copy the image prompt and return to ImageFX, paste it into the prompt box, then click Create, and within 30 seconds, your sticky man image will be generated. Choose the version you like best and click Download to save it. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second sentence from your script notebook, repeat the same process, paste it into ChatGPT, generate the prompt, return to ImageFX, click Start Over, paste the prompt, remove, ask ChatGPT if, and hit Create again. Continue this process for every sentence of your voiceover script until all sticky man visuals are ready. Once all the images have been created, now let's move on to the last step, video editing. Since most of you are familiar with CapCut, open the app and click on Create Project. Import all your Stickman images and the Voiceover audio file. Drag the images onto the timeline in the correct order, followed by the voiceover. First, trim any unnecessary silent gaps in the voiceover to make the pacing clean and tight. Then, adjust the duration of each image to match the corresponding parts of the audio, scene by scene. Once that's done, start adding text overlays. Customize the font style, size, and color to fit your video's mood or message. You can also add subtle text animations to make your visuals more engaging. Apply them where they naturally support the dialogue or emotion. Now, to enhance the visuals even further, go to your browser and search for icons and click on the first link. For example, if your video is talking about morning, return to the icon site and type morning into the search box. Choose the icon you like best, download it as a PNG by clicking free download, and import it into your CapCut project. Position the icon in a blank or balanced area of the frame, and optionally add simple animations to it for extra effect. Once you've finished editing your video using the same steps I showed you, go ahead and click on Export to save the final video. But if you want to use CapCut's premium features in your edit for free, check out the video on my channel where I explain how to do that. Also, before you see the final result, I have some exciting news. Starting today, I'm running a giveaway. Just comment anything you like on this video, and in every new upload, I'll randomly pick one comment to win a free Canva Pro account. Let's see the result.
He wasn't a morning person. In fact, he hated mornings. But one day, Stickman set a challenge. Wake up at 5 a.m. every single day for 30 days straight. Day 1, he hit snooze 3 times. Day 2, he almost gave up. But then, something changed. The silence of the early morning, the head start on the world, the peace. It started to grow on him. He read, he moved, he planned. While the world was still asleep, he was building discipline. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Because Stickman learned this: you don't have to be a morning person, you just have to show up.